Hi everybody, this is LBS 26 and we are sitting in the Cure Rayan Drive where the Cure Rayan Drive is being held at 112 Khayaban Bahria, Karachi. Sana Salim, Dr. Awawalvi, Sana Salim of course तारीफी को मोहताज नहीं
वही
अवावल्वी मोहताज
मेरा नाम डॉक्टर अवावल्वी है मैं टीथ माइस्टर में ब्लॉक करता हूँ आपका आई डोंट थिंक इनको जरूरत है बट आई वाज थिंकिंग बाय द टाइम दिस वीडियो कम्स ऑन this drive would have been finished.
But today's drive, but they're going to continue on at this location as well as do it in different places across the city. जैसे Saturday को कराची जिमखाना में होने वाली है. They're planning to do one in KGS, one in Fast, and other places as well. So I think we'll keep spreading a message to our Facebook and Twitter accounts.
Maybe Sana can update us on what Ryan is suffering from.
Please.
Ryan is suffering from a rare form of leukemia, to put it like in a very lay form layman term. And so of course he needs donations, and it's going to be a simple painless blood test, non-surgical procedure. And what we're looking for now is a match. And for that there's a very simple test that's called a swab test, swab cheek test. All you have to do is a simple swab stick that rubs off on your cheek, and we send it for testing.
It's genetic matching.
Yeah, genetic matching.
And there's a chance of 1 to 20,000 people that can be
And
matched.
this is the 42nd drive that's being held today for this kid, and the other 40 are held all across North America and Canada, and they still haven't found a match yet. And the thing is that what we want to highlight is that people are squeamish कि स्पाइनल टैप होगा कुछ होगा, ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है. अगर आपका मैच हो गया अल्लाह करे तो सिर्फ जो टेस्ट होगा उसमें एक हाथ से आपके ब्लड निकाला जाएगा. इट्स गोइंग टू गो इनटू अ मशीन व्हिच विल सेपरेट द बोन मैरो फ्रॉम दैट ब्लड, and the other tube will pump the blood back into your other hand. So you don't even have to actually give blood. Basically there is going to be no loss to you. So it's a pretty easy procedure, and we just wanted to highlight this कि लोग डरे नहीं कि इसमें कोई बहुत ही difficult चीज़ है या ऐसा कुछ हो.
And I think the most important thing that we also have to push कि this database सिर्फ रयान के लिए नहीं बनता. Once you have a genetic situation, then this database goes into and I think we look in the larger perspective. इंशाल्लाह रयान को मदद मिलेगी और शिफा मिलेगी, मगर I hope इस database के build होने से हमारे community के अंदर we are able to solve more problems by getting the genetic match, which I think is a far bigger issue.
Yeah.
We totally don't have any database. ये unfortunate database जा रहा है North America में, but at least वहाँ से भी अगर हमने कोई खुदा न खास्ता किसी ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो we can always tap that, and that is an international database, that's not a national database. So we can always tap that. जब हमको genetic matching करनी होती तो the hospitals can be able to tap into that also.
Yeah, and I think it's 3-year-old's life, and it's very important कि मतलब it's just 5 minutes that you can give and come and do a simple test, and if you're a match that can really like save his life, because it's very complicated, this illness, and it would only take a one-time test and a one-time donation to save his life.
Yeah, it's basically the white cells are going
Yeah.
berserk in his body, and they're slowly deteriorating. And I think Faisal was really put to tears of the letter that was written on curerayan.org. The parents ने जो लिखा, I mean simple comments of the fact he's so okay. He's can you imagine a 3-year-old?
Yeah, we all have
Yeah.
kids.
Yeah.
I mean, I have kids. That letter basically said, "You सुबह उठ के रैन होता है, I'm lightning McQueen. You know, why are you hurting me?" Stuff like that. It's just, it's just like anybody's kid. You have to realize, even though people think that it's one life, but that one life is so important for that family कि आप उनका हाल देखें अभी. So it's just unimaginable pain that they're going through, and if we can stand up and we can help them out, then why not?
And I believe कि यही जो मगर the sad part that we were discussing is लोग निकलते नहीं, even for this cause. I mean I think we are seeing a lot of good turnout. अभी शाम को अच्छे खासे turnout है, but जितने लोग एतराज़ करते हैं, जितने लोग they don't show up. Facebook पे हजारों लोगों ने guess किया होगा.
And I only 20.
On the Facebook to actual. And now we're on to the second part of our show. I wanted to discuss a topic which is very hot these days, and these guys are political experts on both sides of the
कौन से
spectrum.
topic है यार?
So the topic is about Mr. Raymond Davis
अरे छोड़ो.
and what should Pakistan do, and what do you think is his diplomatic status?
I don't like.
Or does he even have a diplomatic
He
status?
is not diplomat status, and I think he should be tried in a court of law, totally in Pakistan.
So he is being tried in a court of law.
But he should be kept here. There's no diplomatic status at all.
Achha, by the way, the video that he shot at the police station, in that he said himself that he's just a consultant at the US Embassy.
And a person who is a diplomat status, वो वीडियो में चीखे मार रहा होता कि मैं डिप्लोमेट हूँ, यू हैव
वो अरेस्ट करते हुए नहीं बोल रहा होता।
वो चीख रहा
हाँ।
होता, वो चीख रहा होता, but unfortunately he didn't know what his embassy would stand up for. तो जब वो कंफ्यूजन में था उस वक्त उसने कुछ नहीं कहा, उसने कहा मैं कंसल्टेंट हूँ, and he maintained that. और अगर गवर्नमेंट के पास एविडेंस होती और यूएस गवर्नमेंट के पास एविडेंस होती, वो मुंह पर मार रहे थे।
मगर आप ये मुझे बताएं सना, what do you think, why is this one guy so important to the US that they've threatened to cut our aid off? जॉन कैरी साहब यहाँ पे आ गए हैं बात करने के लिए इसके ऊपर, why is this one guy so important to them?
Okay, fine. As far as the diplomatic status is concerned, I agree with Awad. Of course, there's
Oh,
no
you finally agree on
doubt.
one thing. Okay.
There's no doubt about the fact that if he was a diplomat, then he is. But of course, there's also no doubt about the fact that he is, अगर US का employee है, जो भी कर रहा है, whatever he is, consultant है या whatever, Blackwater conspiracy, whatever you want to call it. One example that stands out is how they are trying to, they level best to that extreme to save their one citizen.
One person.
One
yes.
person.
हाँ.
That is an example that we all cannot.
हमारे 3 मर गए कोई नहीं.
और दूसरी बात, I think that the problem lies with our own. Problem is with our own governance, with the way that we are tackling the issue. I mean, I see it as a total lack and failure of governance from like शुरू से सिंपल बात लाइक काउटाउ करना ही नहीं चाहिए ना, आपको सिंपल एक बात करनी चाहिए कि रिलीजियस और पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज का ये बात
बस
नहीं
ना
है।
बात ये कि आप हमारी और यूएस की रिलेशन मेरे नजदीक ऐसी है जैसे हमारी, जब हम गाड़ी में जा रहे होते हैं सिग्नल पे खड़ा हुआ आदमी भीख मांग रहा होता है। जब आप सीरियसली, बिकॉज जब वो ज्यादा टैप टैप करता है आपकी विंडो को तो आप विंडो उतारो से बोलते क्या है भाई, दिस इज व्हाट आवर रिलेशन इज विद देम। तो जब हम उनसे इतनी एड लेते हैं, इतनी रिसोर्सेज उनसे लेते हैं, तो वो भी आगे से हमको दबाते।
अच्छा, the thing is that the US taxpayers' money is being spent on us, and of course they're not, they're a superpower. They're not just giving us money for nothing. We are
Obviously.
doing things for them. That's why. So एक तो ये misconception खत्म होना चाहिए that we are beggars and we can't be choosers, because we are not beggars. Of course we are dependent on them. We should, हमें अपनी economy, we should get real about our economy.
Beggars in the sense that you're reliant on them for your economy
Yes,
not to
but they're
collapse.
relying on us on a lot of things too.
It's like providing hashish.
But their attitude towards us is what I'm talking about.
I agree.
Not
but,
the actual situation.
but
Their
they-
attitude is like that of a beggar and a giver.
but their attitude has to change when, will change when our own attitude changes, especially हमारे leaders का, because when you see, okay, let's not divert a lot, but let me just give you an example. अगर आप देखो हमारे, like even our leadership from the ICR to उनको तो आप छोड़ दें।
क्यों छोड़ दें? नहीं गलत हो गया, इसलिए मैंने stand।
खड़े as a one person stand नहीं होना ना, खड़े as a government stand खड़ा होना है। When your own government and your own officials are coming and making statements such as, look, we know that drone attacks are wrong, and it's not coming without permission, but we can't do anything about it. You're spreading helplessness into the people, and you're playing a double game, because we all know that whatever is going on is happening with mutual consent. So why not just stand up and say, "Bhai, this is our ally. This is what we are doing for them. This is what we've signed up for."
Americans
And basically just make it clear.
Americans का
Yeah,
मसला ये है कि वही मैंने कहा ड्रगी वाला हाल है कि they keep on putting you drugs and you getting addicted to it. अच्छा, I'm sure and I'm sure we all are confident of the fact कि the minute you take that drug away, we might suffer a little bit,
Yeah.
but we have the energy and the resources to stand up and be on our own. ये ज़रूर ये सारा जो war on terror है, that's their war that we are fighting for whatever reason. और 2000 से
how is it their war?
2000 से के बाद आप ये देखिए 2000 के बाद सुसाइड बॉम्बर्स और सारा कुछ हो रहे हैं, have been on the rise after 2000 for some reason. 2000 से पहले नहीं था, है ना? So there is definitely an issue that we have to figure कि why is all of a sudden in last 10 years
तो मार तो पाकिस्तानियों को रहे हैं, तुम बोल रहे हो हमारी वॉर नहीं है, उनकी वॉर है अभी तक।
वो तो हमारी वॉर तो हो गई है।
हाँ,
war की लड़ाई करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है। I think the CIA and ISI are equally involved with this. मैं दोनों का ही मैस है, तो हमारी वो तुम्हारी की बात
But Raymond Davis, in all three of our opinions, should be tried in Pakistan.
He should be tried in Pakistan.
You
But John, no, I don't agree, because John Kerry has came here and he said that we are going to guarantee that he's going to be tried American criminal system.
By same.
So whose criminal system do you
Then
trust?
extradition issues. No, it's not the fact you don't
No,
know.
I trust the American criminal system more than your criminal.
You do? आपने सिद्दीकी के साथ क्या किया आप लोगों ने?
Yeah, that's a different case. That's
I agree.
you're
I
taking
agree.
it in
I
another
agree.
direction.
I agree. But
उसके साथ जो हुआ बहुत गलत हुआ। मैं मानता
Guantanamo
हूँ।
Bay में जो हुआ,
हाँ।
445 people kept for
Still,
some reason.
Guantanamo was also another special case scenario. एक
terrorism
criminal
बंदा
system
यहाँ
को
भी
आप
terrorism
कैसे
कर
trust
रहा है,
करोगे?
बंदा
नहीं
यहाँ भी
होगा।
terrorism कर रहा है, 3 बंदे मार मारे या 50 बंदे मारे
See, but who would you be preferably in the favor
No.
of being tried under? The Pakistani criminal system or the US criminal system?
jurisdiction wise Pakistan.
Why?
He committed a crime in Pakistan, on the land of Pakistan, in Pakistan.
Jurisdiction wise,
Yes.
but what about the general fairness of the whole thing?
I
You
think
think the American system is as fair
Yes.
as you?
It's
Well,
better than
no,
your system.
Maybe better, but
Because आपके system में तो हर एक चाह रहा है कि उनकी जो है TC करने के लिए कोई ना कोई वो जिस तरह किसी
you
ने
would
statement
find
दे दिया।
equal, but I still believe कि एक दो वहाँ चला जाएगा तो then the situation changes and then they might be tried, he might be tried, prosecuted to a certain extent, but वही बात है कि जो एक national sentiment हमारे पाकिस्तान में है। अब national sentiment को override करके you think you the Gora skin is better than the brown skin?
No, I don't think that. I think that their criminal system is a lot more fair than our criminal system. Anyways, that's besides the
I
point.
think at this point in time जो एक scenario create हो गया है उस scenario में I mean we need somebody to speak as clearly as Terry John Kerry did.
Yeah.
And what we need is somebody to come up and say, okay, listen, you spoke the whole time about alliance and everything. We respect that. You have to respect our sentiments. Our people have lost their lives, so of course anti-Americanism is on the rise.
But do you
and
think this
everything.
can be a trigger to a greater something happening like it did in
Definitely, and
Egypt?
this is going to be no.
No?
I hope
Revolution?
No,
Do you
no,
think
no,
this
no,
can be a
no,
trigger?
no.
This is-
If he walks off and Kerry takes him along,
तो आप लाओगे revolution?
लाएंगे नहीं, आ जाएगा। I am telling you, जहाँ लाहौर जेल से निकालते निकालते आके revolution आ होगा। The thing is, the only thing is he'll be smuggled outside. अगर इन्होंने निकाला या अनाउंस किया तो लाहौर से, I'm telling you, लाहौर में अपराइजिंग होगी, यहाँ कहीं कराची में नहीं होगी।
Just
लाहौर
speaking
में।
of revolution, a
अच्छा,
lot of
mess
people,
होगा,
mess
mess होगा, revolution ना
हाँ,
होगा।
a lot of people think
Nawaz Sharif will
हाँ.
take advantage of that situation.
Situation and cash in
And
on
he,
it.
that is not a people's revolution, it's a political revolution.
A lot of people think that Egypt की तरह यहाँ पे भी revolution
नहीं भाई,
आए।
Political revolution आ सकता है। Any mullah that feels
मुझे तो यही डर लगता है कि revolution यहाँ आएगा तो मौलाना लाएंगे revolution
Of
because
course.
they seem to have the street power, not
हाँ.
us.
अगर इन मौलाना, I also think अभी Raymond के चक्कर में नवाज शरीफ, because Nawaz Sharif wants to capitalize on that. So it's, as I said, people-driven revolution नहीं है. It's a politically motivated mullah, Islamic और a combination of factors की revolution आ सकता है. और वही यहाँ भी देखें इस Pure Ryan Drive में आप बैठे हुए हैं, है ना? It's a public civil society-driven initiative. Nothing's happening. The minute a political party या हरी पगड़ी वाले या मौलाना कहने के हाँ करो तो लाइन लग जाएगी आपके बाहर के।
Yeah, that's
Because there are people that follow them ना, हमारे followers नहीं।
अच्छा।
हम तो voluntarily किसी को पूछ सकते हैं कि आप आज
एक issue में tap कर रहा हूँ, we were talking about a few days back, we were talking about ads for Pakistan.
हाँ।
I think that's
Can you tell us a bit about that issue?
We
मैं सना को बताऊंगा।
started a small project called Ads for Pakistan where हमारे online website पे बहुत सारी real estate होती है which we can leverage for good projects in Pakistan. हम ये Faisal, I started that off. I think Faisal भी join कर गया. We got about 2 or 3 campaigns that are running. एक अमन इत्तेहाद का एक अमन peace in Pakistan. The other campaign is Pure Ryan Drive, and the third campaign is Aisha Mahmood का thalassemia का. And we are trying to make sure that जो बेचारे these organizations don't have funds to run massive awareness campaigns. I think we are thinking कि जिन के पास थोड़ी सी ad space available हो,
Basically donating your traffic towards
donating
the
your traffic to that,
Okay.
and it's a small ad manager script which I'm managing. अब हो ये सकता है it can be customized कि let's suppose you don't agree with certain cause, and you could say Javier, please turn that off on my website. It's easy ad management, बड़े आराम से scripting हो जाती है. So what I was actually pushing, if Faisal joined up, I hope you would join up. I mean, it's just अपनी ad, अपनी blog पे जितनी भी है छोटा
Yeah, I've agreed as long as PTI का ad नहीं आएगा बस।
और इनके
मुझे मैं तस्वीर नहीं चाहिए।
So I think we were just thinking कि अगर एक initiative बन जाए तो NGOs and political organizations.
I think if we could combine maybe 20 blogs together and their traffic and then donate that towards these causes, then that would be
That'd be
kind of
good,
a
yeah.
difference.
I think that
So that's a good
let's
initiative,
wrap this
I
up.
think.
And Raymond Davis should not release Pure Ryan Drive पे आना चाहिए.
Not be released, he should be tried under a proper court of
Okay,
law.
ठीक है. That
Yeah.
I would agree.
Not be released नहीं होता।
मैं
ये कोई
आज
statement
मैंने
नहीं होता।
ट्विटर पे डाला, मैंने कहा जॉन कैरी आया उसे कहो ये ब्लड डोनेशन दे रहा है. Rather than make mess about
If we can reach him, he'd probably come and do it.
Raymond or Rayan? I don't.
I would support Ryan.
Of course.
And this is our appeal. Please, everybody, whoever can come out and help. We three are here. You can contact any of us for information on this drive where it will be held later on. The Facebook page is up there. You can go there for updates. Please help this kid. I know it's one life, but every single life matters. Thank you.
And Sana Singh, thank you very much. Best Kavardi and Babali.
For your first appearance.
Debut.
Thank you very much.